The perfect summer drink, iced espresso tonic featherteen. Hey sweet friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a refreshing modern coffee drink that's light, bubbly, and perfect for warm days. Iced espresso tonic. This drink has become a café favorite for a reason. The bold intensity of espresso meets the crisp sparkle of tonic water, creating a bright, slightly bitter, and incredibly refreshing combo. It's simple, elegant, and surprisingly addictive. Let's jump right in. Ingredients: 1 shot espresso freshly brewed 3/4 to 1 cup chilled tonic water, ice cubes optional, garnish, lemon peel, orange slice, or rosemary sprig optional, sweetener, simple syrup or honey. To taste directions. Start by filling a tall glass with ice cubes. The ice is important. It keeps the drink crisp and helps preserve the carbonation of the tonic. Slowly pour the chilled tonic water over the ice, filling the glass about 3/4 of the way. Pour gently to keep those bubbles lively. Next, brew 1 fresh shot of espresso. Let it cool for about 20 to 30 seconds so it doesn't melt the ice too quickly. Slowly pour the espresso over the tonic water. You'll see a beautiful layered effect as the espresso floats on top of the tonic. This is part of the magic of this drink. If you prefer a touch of sweetness, add a small amount of simple syrup or honey and gently stir once or twice. Be careful not to over-stir, as you want to keep the tonic nice and fizzy. Finish with a twist of lemon peel, a slice of orange, or a sprig of rosemary for a fresh, aromatic touch. And just like that, your iced espresso tonic is ready, bright, refreshing, and perfect for summer sipping. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more cool and creative coffee drinks. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com, 3 Coffee Lover.